Hello friend, and welcome to the new video in the Postman series. So in today's video, what I'm going to show you, how you can test an API in the Postman. So I'm going to show you with two examples, one for the get request and another is for the post request. So let's start with. So this is my Postman screen, and here you can see at the mid section you will have some buttons. So if you can just, this is the first page, it will show as a overview. So I don't need this overview right now, so I'm just closing it. And then you have a plus button. So when you click on this plus button, you will see a new screen comes up, and here you will use to pass your API detail. So as I said, first of all, I'm going to show you the get request. So for you, I have already having one get request REST API URL. So this is an REST API URL for the get request, and this request will return some data. So let's see. So I'm just selecting and just copying this address, and in the Postman application you can see there's a drop down at the very first place, and if you can click, it will see all the request type which is required for the API. So for this example, I'm showing you the get request. So get will be selected, and I will paste the URL. Yeah, so this is the get request and nothing more that I have to pass it. And to test, simply I have to click this send button. So once I click the send button, this request will go to the server, it will process it, and it will return some data, and we were able to see the data. Let's see. Okay, so now I click on the send, and at the bottom you can see you will have the response. So this is the response data which is coming out from this API which we just executed. And if you can see, this is already formatted as a JSON format. You can have any other format also if you want, like raw. We have, this is a raw data which is returned. Maybe you have some preview also. So like if you can choose this pretty one, so by default it will mark it as a JSON. Yeah, so you can choose the type also over here, but yeah, by default it is the JSON one. So now we are able to see the response. That means this API is working. So for your development purpose, if you have made some API, or if you want to test API is working or not, so simply use this method. Yeah, okay. Now the other method is what some APIs also having the post kind of type. So let's begin with the post one. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to test a post API. So for that also I have another example. So I have one post request API just for testing, and this is the URL, and for this API we have to provide the request data in body, and this is the body data is of the JSON type. So we'll send this JSON data type in this post API. So let's do that. So again, I will copy this URL, and I will press this plus button, and I'm having the new screen. Change the type to post and the URL, and now I have to provide the request body because we have to pass this data, this JSON data. So what I will do, I'll just first of all copy this, and I will go to this body section from here, and now I am passing the JSON data. So what I will do, I will click this raw one, and the type is from here, from this drop down, JSON. So as per your need, you can choose any type of data that you are passing in. So for this example, I'm using a JSON raw data. So I selected this, and now I'm pasting the JSON as a request. So this will be my request data. This is the API and the request type. So let's click this send button. Okay, so you can see we got one response from the server, and it is confirming that this username is already created. It also returning some ID and the date which and on which it was created. So this data is coming from the server side, which means it is correct. Yeah, so this is how you can test the API in the Postman. So if you have any question or doubt, please do type your question into the comment section, and I will try to reply back. Thanks a lot.